Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush, and this is our 7 Days to Die rebuilding world. Overnight I crafted a forge, made some more forged iron, made some glue in the fire, and made myself some iron tools. I'm out here where our trader quest is to get the buried treasure. And I keep looking around because I had a small roaming horde come through, but I wanted to get iron tools because I could put more mods in them, so I did put another point in Miner 69er. As you can see, I have level 3 tools now. And I put in what mods I had, so this has, the axe has the wood splitter mod, and the pickaxe has the iron breaker and bunker buster. I did not have a grave digger for this. Have not been able to find one yet, so alright, let's get up here and see who's coming. I'll grab that after I clear everybody up. Well, you move fast, don't you? Alright, let's see what loot they dropped. Another blunderbuss and a weighted head mod schematic, which would be good to put on the club. Which I already have on the club. Okay. So, on the way over, I did grab some trash and some gore piles and things like that. Bird's nests when I see them, and I have switched to iron arrows now that I have the forge and can make the arrowheads. I just want that extra damage when I'm trying to get a sneaky headshot off on a zombie. Overnight I went to the iron node that's close to our house and got a little bit of the iron from there. Grabbed a little bit more to take back and put in the forge. I will say one thing, these tools sure do go through my stamina quick. I'm not going to stay and dig out a whole big piece, but it's always good to pick up some iron. I made enough duct tape to make our tools, and I made some extra to make a few repair kits. So I've got a few on me, and I have a couple back at the base. So that's enough iron for now. While we're out here, we might raid this little place. Let's use some of this. I don't need that. Scrap that. I can scrap that because the trader doesn't want any more, and I would rather have the iron, and I don't need the jars. My brain shut off on me for a minute there. Alright, let's make sure everybody's loaded up and see if we can't. Why do I have a feeling this floor is a trap? There's nobody in here. I am going to take the dye out of that. Scrap that, because I did not have a dye for my pickaxe. So now I have a lovely green pickaxe, a purple shovel, I think, and a, fire axe, and a green shovel. So I don't know why, I just have a feeling that floor is a trap. But I can scrap those, scrap that. I'll hold on to the paper for now. I will repair my club, and we'll make make a frame out of that and throw out the extra. So let's see what's over here. Door locked. So I guess I go through the window. Get a sneaky shot off. I can see somebody's feet. And I have a feeling there's somebody in that closet. Oh, that's clothes. I thought that was a zombie's feet. Alright, doesn't look like there's anybody in that closet. Okay. Let's get the wrench down here. Well, that sounds like a lot of you guys. Is it just you two? I hope. Finish the bed. See what's in the clothes. Just cloth. Bag up there. Water. So they came down from up there. Medical pile. Acid. That's good for when we're ready for some mode of transportation. Let's see. There is a bag up here. Let's trade you for the locks. I am between, kind of. We'll scrap that. There's somebody behind there. Hold on now. Okay, so scrap that, scrap the nails. I can make them at home. I don't really need them. Ooh, secret passageway. Please don't let there be a dog hiding in the secret passageway. Where is this thing going? Into the bathroom. Oh. Okay. Let's see what weapons we get. Another blunderbuss. Ammo I don't need, and ammo I will take. And I am encumbered. I kind of want to keep all of that. I don't really need the wood. We'll see when we get down here what, oh, this doesn't look suspicious at all. What are you? Wood. Well, I can't get a headshot on him. I can on him. I'm just gonna have to... Shh! Be quiet. You're gonna wake everybody else up. Alright, there's the main loot. But is anybody else hiding in here? Doesn't look like it. But we will keep the gun out just in case. Water. Nothing up there. I do want those resources. I know I'm encumbered. Oh, destroyed workbench. Oh. I will take it apart to get the resources out of it. Might be a bit of a slow run home, but I'd rather have the resources. Let's see. We'll use that. I'll scrap that and that. And once we get over there to the main loot, I'll figure out what I want to leave behind. Well, I'm not taking $1. Sewing kit, always good. Cowboy hat. Scrap the brass. I've got jars at home. More brass, that'll be fun. Coffee, which I brought with me to dig over at the buried treasure and forgot to use. So we'll go ahead and use that. I thought it was a goldenrod tea. Scrap that, scrap that. We'll repair that. Metal spikes mod, nice. So let's modify you with some spikies. What do you do now? 23 and 37. Nice. Well, at least it will be when I can see it properly. Apparently I can't hold my liquor. Alright, nothing else in here. Let's head out. What was up these stairs? Was that the... Was that just dig your own way out? Oh, it was behind the chair. Go up the ladder. Break the sofa. Okay. So, nice little POI. A little bit of quick loot before we head back to the trader. Of course, being encumbered means my stamina is shot to heck, but hi, you can be the first to test my new club. If I hit you, oh. Well, I'd say it did pretty well. I love the spikes mod. Oh, my stamina. La-di-da-di-da. I'm not going to raid any of these other houses I passed by on the way. I don't have the room. Come on. Do I have all the stuff I want to take to the trader on me? No, I don't. So I may need to go home first. And, grab a little bit more iron. Always need iron. Build up some stamina, and then I'll drop most of this stuff off just in the dump chest and show you what I did around the base. Just trying to get a little more organized and be prepared. And hopefully the trader will have some different quests, because the other two that he had were, I think, 2 kilometers away. And I'm just not prepared to run that. Need to get a mode of transportation. It is day 4, so they will have restocked. So yes, I do want to go home first. Let's drink a coffee. It'll help a little bit with stamina regen. I should have brought some steroids. I have them in the chest upstairs, but I didn't think about it. Come on, you can make it. something comes up on me now, I am not going to be able to run away. I think the next skill point I get, I'm going to put into heavy armor. I did level up once last night with crafting everything. I also made some flagstone blocks for when we start building. And so I did level up once, which meant I had, I think, 3 skill points to spend. I put 1 in healing factor, 1 in blacksmithing, or whatever that one's called, where you can make the forge, and 1 in miner 69er, so I could make some better tools. But I think the next one I want to go into heavy armor, so I get slightly less penalties from wearing the scrap armor. Would you go up the ladder, please? So I put our little forge over here, and we'll stick the iron I got into it, and we'll just give it that wood. Turn it on. I made some writable chests. Let's put in here whatever is for the trader. Of course, I can't take that out of my inventory, but I have tried to organize everything as far as I can. Machine gun parts. They sell for a bit, but I may want to make a machine gun down the road, so let's see, metal goes in here. Do I have any other forge materials? No. So basically I just tried to separate everything out into, you know, what made sense to me to separate it out into. I'm going to leave those in there because I'm not going to need to repair too often. Put all of this away. We do have a good bit of the acid, so if we do want to make wheels, we can. So that's that's farming. First aid goes in here. I'm gonna leave a couple of those and just take a couple with us. Food and drink. Let's see, that is 50 and 25, that's 64 and 32. Alright, I'm gonna take that one with me to go raid or whatever we need to do. I want to make some more iron arrows, so let's make 29 of those and grab just a little bit of wood. Oh, close enough. I need to repair that. And alright, that's our inventory sorted. Let's grab all of that for the trader. Grab those and we can be crafting some arrows on the way. And that should be good. So anyway, that's all I did in the base. Just organized and tried to get stuff sorted out. And then just headed over to dig the treasure quest. Well, I thought I'd make it onto the wall, but at least I'm not encumbered now. Don't think I left anything in there. So let's head off to the trader, see what our reward is, and see if he has any quests near us other than a buried treasure. And if not, then I think we might just pick a POI and go raid it. Make sure everybody's loaded up. That's a pretty purple club. Could finish up the trailer park. I'm pretty sure at least 1 or 2 of those has a dog in it, but with the blunderbuss I should be okay. Be nice to get some other weapons though. Alright. See what our reward is. Hopefully something good. I'm back. Pistol Pete. I've got herbal antibiotics and I don't need ammo right now, so let's sell these things. So, what do you have now? Got lockpicks, but I don't want to spend all my money on that. So let's see what else you have. Generator bank. That would be nice, but I don't have anything to power with it yet. So I do want the Gravedigger mod. That's nice to get. Okay, Wasteland Treasures. Wasteland is full of things that make you bleed. Guy can never have enough bandages, and cloth can be hard to find, so I figure out how to weave plant fibers into cloth. Okay, well, I find plenty of cloth, so I'm not too worried about that. I will take that. Well, what building stuff do you have? Nothing. Okay, so it doesn't look like they have anything I need right now other than the stuff I already have. I was kind of hoping they'd have some cobblestone or cement. So let's read these two and let's modify that. And then see what jobs you have. Let's do the clear zombies. Coal factory, that's good. I can pick up some coal while I'm there for making gunpowder. Oh, looks like we got a little horde coming through. Hi guys, come play with my club. I love my club. Be even better when I have this steel version. Ah, who snuck up behind me? Oh, pretty sure I just got one of a number of STIs she's got. Wow, it got really dark and rainy all of a sudden. Down, Edgar. You too. Nice little bit of experience to start the day. Oh, there you go. And it looks like we got somebody stuck over here because apparently she can't jump a fence. So we'll just help her out a bit. There you go. Alright. So let's head over and see where our business is. And Rain, you can go away. It always just feels creepier when it's rainy. Let's repair you. And let's see what we can grab from here before we go. There is a bag up there. Anything good? A level 4 club I already have better. 1731. Scrap that. I'll keep the feathers for now. And head on off to our business. Did I get another point? I did. So I want to put that into heavy armor. Reduce movement and stamina penalty, improve durability. And then the next one I think will go into either Sexysaurus or cardio. Probably cardio because I'm doing a lot of running around since I don't have a bicycle or anything. It might be good to put another one in cardio. Alright, we're almost there. A lot of houses out this way. Well, it looks like a skate park, which usually has some resources. Because probably tomorrow or the next day we will have to start thinking about what we want to do for Horde Night. I will probably build a similar base to what I did in the Bunker Down episode, or Bunker Down series, because that seemed to work really well, and I haven't really found any other designs that I really want to try out. So this is a big town. That's a really big town. Look at all the stuff around here. Oil company. Is that the big Shamway factory? So let's grab a chest and pop it down right in the middle of the road so I can drop off the stuff I don't need with me. I will leave all of that there. Now this is the one in the last episode that when I came up there was a bear. I'm hoping the game is not mean and doesn't do that to me again. I do want those on me. So let's first have a run around and see if we need to clear anybody up. There is a guy over here. There is all the coal, which I can grab. I'm not going to grab it before we reset it, but okay, so let's head in, and I know I could just knock a hole in there, which I might do. I'm gonna just knock a hole in this and go down and grab the main loot and grab the hidden stash, and then I will reset it. Let's do this just to be on the safe side, so hopefully that'll give us some warning if somebody's sneaking up on us. Alright. Go down the ladder. Go down the ladder. Just clear these guys up that are close by here so that I can... Oh! How did that hit the fence? I can loot the dumpster through the fence. Okay. Okay, stand still. Come on. Alright. So that should be the ones over here. We'll grab this in the main loot and then grab the hidden stash and reset it. Just to save a bit of time. And there goes another airdrop. I did grab the airdrop last night while I was getting resources. And there was some food, and the 2 coffee recipes that we sold to the trader earlier. And that was all that was in there. Oh, that's nice. Some more iron arrows. Got almost a full stack, so should be good for a while. Stone spear, burst mod schematic, and muffled connectors. Not what I wanted. So I might toss the muffled connectors in there. Don't need the wood for now. And let's see what's in the hidden stash here. Wood splitter mod, which I already have. Alright, so let's head back up. I'm gonna need the frames so I can sort of ninja my way up here and do this. So we'll bust our way through here, grab the hidden stash, and boy, coming up that thing takes a lot out of you. Alright, what's in your hidden stash? Oh, goody. That was so worth it. Not. So let's head down here. Drop all this off. I do not need 3 stones. Let's eat that. I hear footsteps. Where are they coming from? I don't know. Alright. So this is a clear the area, so I will have to go through the whole thing. So I know this is a false floor. And I can't tell if that's somebody back there or if that's trash. But I can tell that's somebody right there. Is he the only one on this level? Looks like. Alright, let's go down and get our arrow. Or not. And check all the loot. More bandages. Some yucca juice. Nothing. And nothing. And a pain pill. Alright. Down we go. See if there's anybody hiding over there. Nope. Right, I know there's a bag in here. Or a purse with nothing in it. And there's nobody over here. I might grab a little bit of this coal. I do need some for making some gunpowder. At the rate I'm going to be on Horde Night with just a blunderbuss and a club. Oh, my stamina. It goes so quick. I don't have a whole lot of nitrate at the moment, so I'm not going to grab like all of this. But I will remember it's here so that I can come back and get some more. Alright. Let's see who's hiding down here. Anybody else? Can I have any of my arrows back? No. Pick up the chairs for some iron. Search the bag. Herbal antibiotics. And I think that's everything in here. So head over this way. Doesn't look like anybody's hiding in here. All right. What pants am I wearing? Denim 6 and 3, 9 and 8. I will actually wear those and scrap those. And I'm gonna grab the wrench and take this generator apart, which is going to be noisy, but I want the supplies. And then we will head upstairs and see who else we can surprise. Alright, nobody over there. Okay, she's hiding on that side this time. Surprised me opening that trash did not wake her up. They're not giving back my arrows. Don't see anybody over there. Looks like I can get that arrow back. And no. All right. Let's see who's over here. Kind of sneak our way around, see if we can see who's down there. Got him. There's nobody down there. Let's go over here and see what's in the purse. Alright, so I know there's more over there. Don't know who it's gonna be. Nobody hiding here. Let's see who we've got. Looks like a cowboy and a hoodie boy. Who I did not get with one shot. Alright, so that should be everybody. Don't need one nail. Machine gunner. Automatic weapons have 20% less degradation. That's always good. And Magnum Enforcer. Craft 44 AP ammo. And a level up. Alright, let's see. I will scrap those. See what's in the ammo pile. I do not need that. Working stiff and chamois. Well, blueberry pie is good. Working stiff. A paintbrush and some steel tool parts. Alright, what's in the big chest? Oh, a better blunderbuss, I'm assuming. A weighted head mod, the mod that I accidentally scrapped with my old bow. I don't need that, and I will take that. So let's modify you, take these out, and just make sure that this is better. 14 and 10, and 12 and 10. Oh, well, pellets, yeah, okay. Rounds per minute, 75, same. Effective range, durability. Alright, so we're gonna go with you. What is my game stage? Why am I finding level 6 loot at game stage 19? Not that I should complain, but... Alright, another weighted head mod. Iron crossbow bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. I don't need the sandwiches. I don't need that. I do want to reload you. Okay, so let's head up and grab the hidden stash from upstairs. Doesn't sound like there's a bear out there. Not seeing anybody, and I'm going to go up and go the proper way and see if my parkour skills are up to the challenge, which they probably are not. So over we go. And this is usually the part where I fall off. But it looks like we made it. Iron armor schematic, which I already have. Alright, let's get down here and back out, grab what's in the chest, and head back to the trader. Did I manage to get it all? I did, but I am very encumbered. Is there anything I can get rid of? I don't need that. I can drink the coffee. I'm a little bit thirsty, so I will drink the tea. I don't need the beer. I don't need the jars. It's not much, but it helps a little bit. So let's head back to the trader. I do have my coins and stuff on me, but and I'll get a short iron pipe when I get home to repair this. But that's a decent find. That means we can put more mods in it. And hopefully have a better one. Have a good one for Horde Night. I'm desperate to find some other guns for Horde Night. The only thing I have is a backup blunderbuss. And I'd like to find a pistol or a shotgun. Even a double-barreled shotgun. I know it's only 2 shots, but still, it'd be nice to have a better weapon. Quite a long run. Oh. Kind of miss Minecraft teleportation sometimes. I swear I keep hearing something growling at me. I'm not hungry, so it's not my stomach. Alright. Let's get in here and get another quest done. And sell off a few things if he'll buy them. Come on. You can do it. Alright, what have you got? Spear Hunter. I'm gonna take the Molotovs. And then I'm going to... I've already got the Wood Splitter mod, so I'm going to sell that. I've got a weighted head mod, steel tool parts. Trigger group burst. I've already read that. Will you buy that? You will. Okay. You can have the Magnum ammo. And I think that's probably about all I want to sell. Alright, let's see what your next job is. We will do the fetch funeral home. Alright. But I think that's probably going to have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna have to go home, get my inventory sorted out, repair up. But maybe we'll do one trailer here. And there's a little dip in the ground. I am gonna grab the blueberries and potatoes. Corn's dead. Is that a hiding place? It is for a little purse. See what's in there. More bullets. And then let's go around and knock on the front door. That looks like something that would have a doggy in it. If there is a doggy, do not come up behind me and bite me in the butt. Bones. Take those for the scrap. Oh. That means there's gonna be a doggy. Doggy. Doggy? Please don't bite me. Okay, maybe there's not a doggy, but there is, or was, one of you. Alright. I hate when I see those whoop, I didn't mean to cut his arm off. I was trying not to break the loot. Scrap that, take that. Grab the supplies out of that. I'm still half terrified there's gonna be a dog jumping out at me. More iron arrows and some acid. I don't need that. I'm not going to be able to make antibiotics for a while. I will eat the one blueberry. I'm going to save the potato because I really want to make potato seeds. Probably was not smart of me to leave the door open as I go through. So, what do we got? Another wrench for when I can make a workbench. I will take the coffee this time. Not too far from home, so I can take it home with me and start gathering some of it so I can make seeds. Anything on top of the fridge? No. Not seeing any hidden stuff. So, alright, well, we'll do the one across from it, I think. And then I will leave it there and head home. Oh, woke him up. Don't know if anybody's going to be in there. But let's close the door behind us. There's one of the big chests. Pistol Pete Volume 7, 10% more damage with 9mm weapons, which would be great if I had one. Craft flaming arrows and crossbow bolts. That might come in handy for Horde Night. I've got to clean out some inventory room. I've got plenty of cloth. I've got plenty of cloth to make more bandages. I can make more of those. I do have an extra wrench at home. Ergonomic grip. I do not need that. Anything in here? Let's take this part. And there's another ammo pile. Iron crossbow bolts. I can scrap those. I don't need the water. Don't need the jars. Anything good in here? Any more coffee? Alright, I think I have enough now to make one coffee seed when I get the recipe. In fact, let's use that and scrap that. Can I put that grip? I've already got it on my club. I can put it on my fire axe. That's about all I've got that I can put away. Scrap that, take the iron, and don't need the jars. Although, if I want to make Molotovs, I might want those jars. And I can always get murky water, so. Alright, so I think it is time to head home. And as I head that way, I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please remember to hit the like and subscribe. Any comments and questions, go down in the comment section. Any tips and tricks are always appreciated. Hope I see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, y'all. Bye.